The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a flash flood warning for south central New Eas County in south central Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Corpus Christi, Cadmus Field, Corpus Christi Country Club, La Palmera Mall, Driscoll Children's Hospital, Del March College Heritage Campus, Spawn Hospital South, Cole Park, Del March College Windward Campus, South Texas Botanical Gardens, Kings Crossing Subdivision, Bay Area Medical Center, downtown Corpus Christi, and Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.